Jowai Institute of Technology, Jowai Institute khusnam ngot ki samla pule jongka. Kibla poisha khamat haka competition exam jongka course diploma in computer application. Naprangi khatsan ngot ki bayakun, kilai ngot ki bala poisha khamat ki kanthop ya Delizia Jones Tariang haka kardan baringkong. Kabawan baar kawan penhun lanong pat kabalai pat karwan ki suchen. Kum kadak ban penselur syuk yakini ki samla banang le bahashkman, Managing Director ka Jowai Institute of Technology, uban ketbor marwen ula IT hak Delizia Jones Tariang da shisat ka computer system ya kawan hun lanong do pen drive ban rup saw GB ya ka arwan ki suchen da pen drive balai RGB. Haka jo ka por na kalyang Managing Director ula pen pau ka jing sarong yakini ki samla bat ongru bakani kalong kanuksa ya ki wei ban le bahashkman. Uburu ka jingentui ki samla ban amwan hakani ka jaka puli tang banyo certificate henry ka bokong san hi kalong banyo jing start jing champang nolor ka taw lapan tepru bakum ka jaka puli haki por ba khmat kinwa di kalat klenti kum no ban panyo kam ye ki samla ki lepas na kani ka jaka puli haki company ba pher ki badan hapo ka jalla.
I am incredibly proud of your achievement and accomplishments with acknowledgement your milestones. You have received this award for demonstrating an outstanding academic and interpersonal skill. Congratulations on your receiving this prestigious and much deserved award. We are proud and of the great honor you have brought to the Institute, and this achievement will encourage and motivate other students to do their best. And in the near future, the JIT Institute will try to put students into 100 placement based on their skill and knowledge that they have enhanced. Since we are trying to link the students who are undergoing the training in this JIT Institute, it's not that they come only for the certificate, but firstly, my advice, and it is very important, students must come first, they must put the knowledge first. Not the certificate proposed just only for the government service or just only for the government job. But they must put first, they must enhance, they must work hard to get their knowledge for the experience. And since then, I'm trying in this near future to link the JIT Institute with the others big company in this state of Meghalaya, especially within this giant hills. There are many factories, so that the students who are done the computer course or the skill training from JIT Institute, they will get placement. So with all of this, I would like to thank you once again, and I would like to thank to the staff.